Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hana Maritin. Today I wanna explain to you about my proposal, the title about implementation of characteristic application in online learning by teachers at MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja. Okay, the first material. I wanna explain about background of the problem. First, according to Sumarno, character is the actualization of a potential from within and internalization of moral values from the outside to become part of his personality. By Kurniawan and Saroso, 2009. Second, according to the language of the character is or habit. Meanwhile, according to psychologists, character is a belief system and habits that direct the action of an individual. Alicia, 2008. The second, problem of research. Problem of research have two problem. The first, limitation of the research. Limitation of the research. First, how is the character application of MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja student online? And the second, can you apply character in online learning at MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja? And next, population of the problem. Population of the problem. The formulation of the problem in this research is to find out whether the teacher still applies character in online learning. Next, objective of the research. The first, general purpose. General purpose, this study aims to examine and describe strategies application of character education in online learning at MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja. Second, special purpose. Special purpose to describe the characteristic of the strategy for implementing character education in evaluating online learning at MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja. The significance of the research. Significance of the research have a first student. For student, this learning process can improve the character of the nation at the soul of the student. For the school, the results of this study are useful as a school policy effort in directing online learning so that students can have character values. For the English teachers, the results of this study are useful as a reference in implementing an online learning process that leads to character values. And for the researcher, this research provides input as well to find out descriptive description of the extent of the implementation of character education through online as it today. And literature review. Literature review, a definition of character according to David Elkin and Freddie Sweet. Efforts are deliberate to help humans understand, care about, and implement core ethical values. Character education, according to Burke, is solely part of good learning and is fundamental part of good education. And previous study, research education by Rosada 2009 in her thesis entitled Integration of Character Education in Social Studies Learning for the Practice of Moral Values for MTS 1 and MTS 5 students in MTS Al Azhar Center Batu Raja, such as by means of teacher and school principal integrating character education in social studies learning for practice of student moral values. And research methodology. The research is a qualitative research type because it is in research designed to describe the implementation of system of program Sukmadinata 2030. In this case, what is meant by a program is a program strengthening character education. And the last technique for collecting data use used to technique. The first questionnaire and interview. Okay, that's enough for me about my proposal. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.